After we go on the roller coaster.
Everybody, we are on the, what is this again?
Little kid Whirly-Bird.
Yeah, we're on the Whirly-Bird and Snoopy. See, look. Snoopy, it's like Snoopy World. See this, Snoopy? There's other kids. And nobody over there. But we went on that one over there. Okay, now we can wait.
Superman!
Spin it. I can't. Why is it stuck? Can you not spin yet? Can you not spin it off? Oh, can we not spin? Dang it! I thought we could spin.
It's okay, Catherine. It's okay. Maybe it'll spin.
Then we're gonna go to the roller coaster. Then I might be able to film on that one.
Then we can get ice cream.
Then we can get ice cream, yeah. Look,
then we're
it's employees.
We should go in the back of the roller coaster.
We're filming employees walk by.
Why?
I don't know. Things like all dirty. All covered in dust. Can we go? Yeah, it's already been a minute of this video. 58 seconds, 59 seconds, a minute 01, a minute 02, a minute 03. B.
What?
Just a bee. Ah!
It's not a bee, that's a wasp.
Oh, the next time I'll hit it.
Let's see.
Move
there. If it will. Oh, my fingers are going to be all bloody.
Okay, it's still recording.
Let's see if this works.
We should go and look. Little kid swings.
Yay! We're going to the roller coaster. They're getting ice cream.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to Woodstock.
I'm gonna sneeze. That was a really weird sneeze. I'm filming nothing. And pigs inside the bee all the
Yeah, because I'm
time.
going to go like this.
Yeah, we're all gonna just be sticking around, like putting our feet up and everything.
Exactly.
Okay, kids, here we go.
I'm not a kid. I'm 13. I'm not a kid. Can you spin it?
Oh, they spin by themselves, don't they?
No, look. No, they spin by themselves. Can you pull it? No, dang it, you can't. Let go. Hold on, let just go. Can you?
Yes.
Yes, you can. Yes.
Hurry,
Okay.
Catherine, help.
I can't. Here, you take one side. I'll take the other side. Take. Look.
You gotta use both hands.
No, use one hand. I'm helping.
No.
Yes. Oh, goodness.
Fun.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Superman in a bush. In a no, Superman in a bird basket.
This isn't as fun as I thought it would be, but okay. My hair's flying everywhere. Look, if you try moving, it's like, oh. Why is it wet?
Try moving, it's so hard.
Look like this, look like this. Oh, I'm gonna hit my
You're gonna
head.
lose your phone.
It's not a phone, it's an iPod.
You're gonna lose your iPod. You're not filming anything.
Yes, I am.
Oh, you're filming me?
Well, I'm filming us.
Really?
Me? Okay, it's me.
You're not helping.
Okay, helping. 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 Oh, helping. Helping. I can't. Cool. Oh, what was that?
What was that?
What was that? Oh, I'm getting sick.
You are?
No, I'm not. But it feels like, I mean, I feel bad for people watching this video. They just see like everything going around and around and around.
Yeah, they're probably getting dizzy too.
Oh, it's the end.
Remember not to get up.
Let's go.
Next ride.